economic crisis can expose gaps in your brand and in your business. This was a truth that came out during COVID. COVID tested so many businesses, and some of them that were existing for a long time closed their doors, and some thrived and just exploded. Here is the thing, that crisis exposed vulnerable gaps in many businesses. But when I was doing my doctoral research, which was shortly after COVID, I found documentation, data that showed that building a brand was very similar to having insurance. So here I am presenting to you that building your brand can be the equivalent of economic insurance. We're familiar with buying insurance, and we tend to buy the insurance before we need it, because if you try to buy it when you're already sick, it's too late. So we buy insurance early in the game, and the insurance is great for helping us in case of illness, health insurance, for example, injury, death, or against asset loss, like your car and house. In the same way, building your brand is like building business insurance, because what I found during my doctoral research, and I was to do my dissertation, I found data and academic research that showed that many businesses that failed during COVID was because the crisis triggered the brand gaps, the gaps in their business. And the crisis revealed the brands. It was basically a stress test on businesses. Brands that were trusted, known, and connected survived. They had a better opportunity of surviving. Well, guess what? Economic crisis is always happening. And sometimes it's on a more global situation like COVID was, but for some of us, it's just within our own personal experience. Crisis does not have objectivity. It's just going to go after whomever, okay? So your brand, if you do it right, if you build your brand, you can build in a security system for your future. Because when you have a known brand, you are likely to get more referrals, repeat clients, build community. That's a huge one. Find more opportunities, and maybe even have some die-hard fans. So what you build before the crisis is going to determine how you survive that crisis. So you experts, authors, and CEO founders, do not sleep on this. Build your brand. And media mention is one of the best ways to do that. So Dr. Trudy Vman here. I am the CEO and host of PSI TV, and I absolutely can help you become discovered for what you want to be known for.